So let's take a look at some of these numbers that are interesting in terms of the quantity of water it takes to produce foods in this country and around the world. And these are figures from the Kenya Water Week that concluded this past week. Now, it takes 13 liters to produce just one tomato, 135 liters for just one egg. Now, all of this is, going into the feeding of the chicken and so on. But it goes on to be even a little bit more mind-boggling. 200 liters for just one glass of milk and 650 liters for your favorite loaf of bread. And if you are a lover of fast food, then take a look at this figure, 2,400 liters for just one burger. Why is this important? Because it's good to start talking about how much water we're using, how much water we're wasting, and how much is actually needed. Now, this is quite a lot of water that is used to produce the foods that we love to eat every single day. But yet, we waste it in some of the most simple ways. For example, every time you leave a tap running, it's estimated that you lose 6 liters of water per minute that tap is running. And the best part, or the worst part, that this happens a lot is while you brush your teeth in the morning, or as you do that before you go to bed tonight. It takes about, 2 to 3, 4 minutes? So that running the tap while you're brushing your teeth is 12 to 18 liters. Now, you think all of this is pretty mundane? Well, remember what the Cabinet Secretary for Water, Eugene Wamalwa, had to say, that it would cost 60 billion shillings to make sure that all Kenyans in the country have access to clean drinking water, and that the ministry is in deficit of about 1.2 trillion shillings. So next time you start to do that, think about the amount of wastage. And in fact, there's certain regulations that perhaps people are considering putting in the construction code, sewage, water recycling to be able to use on the farms. Costs quite a bit of money, but there are some companies that are doing it. Should that be a code now for all residential areas, commercial buildings? Some of them, some banks have taken this up. So when you think about 60 billion shillings that is required, when you think about this wastage and just how much water is used for agriculture and produce, you might want to start thinking about that, especially as you do this tonight. So please, turn off the tap while you're brushing your teeth, will you? And save us some water that is so desperately needed, not just in this country, but around the world. That's your number tonight.